Hello everyone, welcome to Mann. I am Ranjan kalindi. So, as many of you are facing to check your scorecard of BEL Probationary Engineer exam, so I am telling you step by step process how you are going to check your scorecard. Okay, first you need to open that video what I uploaded just now about BEL Probationary Engineer 2025 result out. This video just you need to open. After that, you need to go and click here in this more wala mein. After that, here I provided some link and I have written step how to check your result. Okay. You first need to click in this step one, login normally with this step one. In this link, you just need to click once. Okay. After that, you will get this interface. Here, you need to put your registration number and password and security. After that, you need to click in this login so that you will get like this interface. Okay. There you are facing right now, like you are getting this interface only, and here it is showing coming soon like that. It is appearing in your login page. Okay. After that, what you need to do once you will get this interface means this wala, you check your name and registration number and this coming soon. This page is coming. After that, what you need to do again, you need to go to in my video, and there I gave the second step. Okay. After successfully login, click below. So once you will click in this link, this second or a link, you will get like this your scorecard. Okay. So you understand what you need to do. First, you need to open this video. Okay. In video, you need to go the description box. In description box, you just need to click here in the step one. This link you need to click. In this link, you will get this Ola interface. Here, you need to put your registration number and password and the security code, and you need to do login. After that, you will get like this interface. Here you will check your name and registration number, and here it will show scorecard coming soon. If you are facing like this problem, then after that, after opening this page, again you need to go to my video and description box. Here I gave step 2 process. In this step 2, you need to just click on this link. Once you will click, you automatically one new tab will open with your scorecard. Okay, just check like this and check your scorecard and just comment below whether you got selected or not. Okay, so this is the step by step process to check your scorecard. Okay, just go and check like this. Thank you.